Hospitals have a problem. Not the dramatic TV kind with alarms blaring and doctors sprinting heroically down corridors. I mean the quiet, expensive problems. Moving patients from one place to another can take far too long. And now robots may be about to fix it. Yes, hospital corridors could be the next frontier for autonomous robotics. Slowly, safely, and ideally without turning into a supermarket trolley derby. Today on RoboPhil, we're looking at Rovex and Sphaira, two companies pioneering autonomous patient transport. Rovex is testing its hospital transportation system in Florida. And the clever part is this: it does not require hospitals to buy a complete new robotic bed. Instead, Rovex can work with existing beds, gurneys, stretchers and wheelchairs by towing them through hospital corridors. That is important because hospitals already own huge amounts of equipment. So rather than ripping through out and starting again, Rovex is adding automation to the workflow that already exists. The problem is surprisingly massive. In some hospitals, moving a patient just a few hundred yards can take over an hour. That means delayed scans, frustrated patients, lost revenue, and staff spending time pushing beds instead of focusing on care. Rovex uses autonomous navigation, obstacle avoidance, emergency stop systems, and specialized towing hardware to move safely through busy hospital environments. Then we have Sphaira, developing protective medical transport pods and autonomous patient shuttles. Think of it like a tiny VIP medical pod on wheels. A little futuristic, slightly sci-fi, but commercially very sensible. This could help with infection control, patient movement, hospital efficiency and staff workload. And here's why this matters. Healthcare robotics is moving from flashy demos into real operational problems. The future of robotics is not coming, it's already rolling down the corridor. Subscribe to RoboPhil.